Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up Instagram Shop. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you will need to connect Instagram to an actual Facebook page and catalog. So, to connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page, click on the Get Started into the Commerce Manager button, and you will be redirected to the Facebook Business Suite. Here, you will first need to click on the three horizontal lines at top left corner, and then select Commerce Manager from the submenu. Once done, you will be redirected to this web page. Here, click on the Add Account button and some paragraphs will start displaying. Here, click Next and it's going to ask us about the shop overview. Simply, you can just check and change the sale channel if you want. After that, it's going to ask you about the countries and the regions for shipment. You just need to select the target country from the drop-down menu, check the terms statement, and then click on the Finish button to complete the process. Note that it can take some time for your Instagram shop to go live, so make sure to wait for a few days. So that's basically how you can set up Instagram Shop. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.